Off the coast of Mauritius lies an incredible optical illusion, what appears to be a massive underwater waterfall. From above, it looks like the island is being sucked into an enormous oceanic sinkhole. In reality, there's no waterfall at all. This breathtaking phenomenon is created by sand and silt deposits on the ocean floor. Ocean currents pull these deposits off an underwater shelf and into the deeper waters surrounding the island. The contrast between the light-coloured sand and the darker, deeper waters creates the illusion of a cascading waterfall. While not actually a waterfall, this natural wonder stretches for about 13 kilometers and is visible from space. It's become a popular attraction for tourists, especially those taking helicopter tours to witness this stunning trick of nature from above.